Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add link on your TikTok bio. So first, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. To do that, you can go to Google Play Store and then update. Now, once done, launch your TikTok application and then go to your profile. The profile is that person icon at the bottom right corner. So if you want to go to your profile, you just have to click that one. On your profile, you will see there the option edit profile. So you have here edit profile and share profile. And as you can see, I have here the link, but this Facebook link is not clickable. So if you want to add a link here on your profile, which is not clickable, then you can go to bio and then paste your Facebook account here, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or other application you have. But this link is not clickable. Okay, so people can view this one, but they cannot click. If you want the clickable link, then you can go to social, and all you have to do is to connect your Instagram, your YouTube, your Twitter. So if someone visits your TikTok, and then they tap the YouTube icon, Twitter, or Instagram icon, it will take them directly to your account. Let's just say for YouTube, if they tap this YouTube right here, as you can see, I'm going to refresh. Here's the link. If they tap this, it will take them directly to your YouTube account or channel. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.